here, and today I am with my dad and Blake, and we are doing another MEL chemistry video.
MEL chemistry. Hi, Blake.
What's up, guys?
So today we are doing Foam Eruption, which is the second half of the Chemistry of Monsters set. So it looks like we're going to make a big purple foam explosion out of our flask here.
Okie dokie.
Out of, real quickly, what we got out of our kit, we have this flask, and we have 2 cups for mixing stuff. And then out of the actual chemistry set, we have anthocyanin, which is a dye. And then we have citric acid and sodium carbonate, which are going to make CO2 to make everything explode. A little bit of liquid soap, a spoon for measuring, and a syringe for measuring water. And we are going to start mixing. Blake is going to help me with the first part. Eli will help me with the second part, and then I will do the actual pouring part. Are we ready to begin?
Yes. Yes, sir, General.
All right. So Blake wanted to help with the first part, correct, Blake?
Yep.
Okay. So the first part is we're going to take a cup. You want to hold the spoon?
Yeah.
Okay. Not with the other hand that has a glove on it. I need to buy more gloves. It only came with enough gloves for 2 people. So we're going to do 1 spoonful of this. So we're just going to measure out 1 spoonful. Hopefully I can measure better than I did last time. Go ahead and dump that in there. All right, perfect. We'll take that and put it over here. Put a cap back on this so I don't spill it everywhere.
It smells like chocolate.
Yeah, don't smell stuff too much, okay? Now we need 20 milliliters of water. So right here on this, you see where it says 10? Right here, Blake? 10? So that's 10 milliliters. Okay, so we're going to need to do this twice, okay? So I'll do the first one so you see, and then you can do the second one. How's that? So we're going to just stick it in the water and pull it up until it gets to the top. We're going to squeeze out until it gets the black rubber part gets to the 10, okay? And then just screw it in there. Okay? You want to do the second one?
Yeah.
So put it in the water. All the way down. Yep. Pull, 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 pull. All the way up. Okay. Now you're going to squeeze it down until the black line is at the 10. Okay. So, stop. I think you went too far. Let me see. Oh, perfect. Good job. All right. Now take it out. We're done with this. Let's spray it in there. Perfect.
No messing with chemicals in the hole. Detention.
Now, with your hand that has a glove on it, take the stir stick. Mix that up. Stir, stir, stir. Get it in there real good. Perfect. All right. Now, let me just double check, make sure we got it covered. Perfect. I'll put the stir stick in this one. Get rid of it. All right, so this is done. This is our coloring mixture, right?
That looks really purple.
Step 2. Eli is going to help with step 2. And it involves an entire bottle of citric acid. So you're going to take this and dump it in there.
All the way?
All of it, yep.
Let's go.
Yep, just dump it in. Shake, 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 shake. Perfect. Oh. That's why you put it on a bowl, because we like to spill things. All right. So there's that one empty.
Hey, do you just think that they knew?
Well, I think they noticed. We're good at spilling stuff. And an entire bottle of sodium carbonate is going to go in there.
The entire bottle?
Yep, the whole thing. Make sure we get it all in there. Yep. Just take it. Pop, 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 pop.
And then you said we had enough to do this 2 times?
Yep, there's enough in the kit of all the chemicals to do it twice. So there's a whole other set of what we have here.
Oh.
Okay. And then this, we're supposed to shake up and mix.
Shake? Oh, wait.
Yeah, I'm going to do this part just so we don't accidentally make a mess, okay?
Oh, and it doesn't foam eruption too early?
Yep. So there's that. Okay. Now we're going to take...
We mixed it.
A thing of dish soap.
Dad, can we mix bananas? Because I'm Dr. Bananas.
Oh, I forgot about our doctor names. All right, so now it says we take liquid soap and add an entire thing of liquid soap to the mixture. which is going to make the foam, I would have to believe. All right. So we got our soap in?
Yep.
Okay, put that over here in our little trash cup. We need to get a trash can for doing this, I think. What? What? All right, boys.
Trash can right there.
Yeah. Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes.
So now we pour the mixture and get our foam explosion. You ready?
You guys better see this, or else we did this for nothing.
There it goes.
It's building.
There it goes.
Building.
There it goes. Whoa! Look at it go. Look at all of it.
I thought it would go.
No, it can't make a mess. Look at it go.
Whoa! I can't
It's
really.
still going.
I can't really see it because it's on that side. But
Look at that.
it's like a volcano.
It is a volcano. Look at the colors. It's still going.
It's probably gonna use up the entire bottle, and there's gonna be like nothing left in there.
So, what's happening, guys? At the very bottom, those 2 white powders that Eli put in are releasing carbon dioxide. So it's like what makes bubbles in soda and stuff. And those bubbles are coming up through the soap and mixing with the coloring, the dye, and making foam. Kind of like when we have root beer floats and it goes everywhere. You remember that? We kind of just did the same thing
That
with
was funny.
purple coloring.
Wait, but watch it go like all the way around the bowl. I mean, it's on its way.
It's still going. Look at that. It's still going. It's actually got a really cool color. I like it.
Yeah.
Like lava and rocks mixed together.
Yeah, it's like purple and pink, a little bit of green lava.
Becky, come look at this.
That is pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's amazing.
So, it says on the back here, I'll read this and I'll try not to butcher it too bad, all right? It says citric acid and sodium carbonate split into ions when in water. Molecules of citric acid split into citrate anions and hydrogen ions, while molecules of sodium carbonate split into carbon anions, which we're going to have to look up what an anion is because I don't know that, and sodium cations. The carbon anion reacts with the 2 hydrogen ions to form carbonic acid, which easily decomposes into water and gaseous carbon dioxide, and later fills the bubbles and makes foam in the experiment. So things break down, they bond together, and then they make an acid and gas, and then the gas fills up into bubbles, and out it comes.
Foam.
No mixing
eruption.
chemicals in the hole. Attention. When will you learn?
What do you think, guys? Is that pretty awesome?
Uh-huh.
That is our foam.
Yeah.
It's still going.
It's still going. It's starting to run out. You can see it starting to run out. I love it. But that had to be like 3 or 4 minutes of awesome foaminess.
Becky, get in here. Say what you think about this. Okay.
So, what did you guys think?
Pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome.
Mhm.
So, you want to say goodbye to everybody, and
Yeah.
we can maybe do another one in a little bit.
Well, anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell and
Share.
All right.
Comment down below.
Oh yeah. What do we have to do? What do we want them to do?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. All right. Thanks.